Hey everyone, you can see that the app is built using AI, completely using AI. There are no code required to build this type of application. I have built the applications using AI with no code. And this is just sharing my service landing page. Also added some step. I am sharing something about the website I have built using AI, and after that I will share how can you build this type of application using AI if you don't know any coding knowledge. So you can see that there are good header options, then there are looking good gradient and super animation when you clicking on this card. Okay, and it's slide sharing and scrolling from right side to left side, and you can see that my client review and client website also there. And I am providing close testing services. Those close testing services system is here, and some FAQ section and call to action button, start close testing. If I click on it, then you can see that this is 3 steps to order, and footer option is stick and header option is stick, right? Then I'm clicking on that, and you can see that you can provide information about that and continue. If I just providing a link, something, if I continue, and you can see that it's a great animation, and you can pay with card, Payoneer, cryptocurrencies and other payment method like Binance. Okay, this is the simple some sharing some pages which I built using AI. Full website actually built with AI. How can you build the website using free tools? There are lots of free tools on the market. You can choose any of them. I am choosing uh, Hostinger Horizon. Hostinger Horizon. Okay, Hostinger Horizon. I'm clicking on it. I'll provide a link on the description box. You can go with them. If you want to buy domain and hosting from Hostinger, you will get extra 20% discount, or I am sharing the secret website which is Hostinger coupon code, and clicking on it and go to claim discount, then you will get extra 20% discount from the secret website. This is a secret website, and you can claim your discount, then you will get extra 20% discount when you claim the deal. I'm just sharing it. You can see that extra 20% discount you will get. You will put coupon code, then you will only get 10% discount, but when you use the website you will get 20% discount. That's it. Okay, let's build an applications, a modern landing page. Let's build modern landing page applications. I'm just clicking on provide a prompt and clicking on enter, and you will see the all code is written by AI. Just one click, and you can see that 7 days free trial it's going on. It's a free and paid two-way, works two-way. You can also use another website like lovable.dev, v0.dev, or bold.new. Okay, let's build the applications. It's building a web application from the scratch, and this application also good speed, so you will get the search engine optimization also. Let's wait for it. Wow, you can see that this is a great website build just providing this prompt, right? You can publish your uh, website here by clicking on this link, or you can add Superbase as a backend. You can use that. It's just simple. Here is the login and get started button and request demo. Okay, and you can see that there are the pricing table, SAS flow, some link. You can provide any command on here, then it will change it. Let's create a login and registration screen. Create login and registration screen and make all the button clickable. Some button are not clickable, like login and get started button not clickable. I'm just providing prompts to make those link clickable. Let's see what they are doing. After that we will publish the app and set up a domain for the website. Okay, let's wait for it. I think it's almost done. These tools actually using React router for navigation. That means they are using React library to build Android applications, and it is a modern framework, you know, that JavaScript framework. I think code written is done. Let's see. Okay, there are login and registration method is here. I'm just register, clicking on login, clicking on registration, and when clicking on registration, then you can see that everything is going on. You can log out from here, and also you can log in from here. When you connect to the Superbase as a backend, then you will make more functionality. You can also add Stripe payment method as getting payment. So almost we build applications, just MVP, and let's publish the applications. When you click on publish, it's published, and let's view the website. Okay, you can see that this is a website. If I go to incognito mode and clicking on the link, then you will see the great website is already built. Let's log in with the account, clicking on login. Let's registration first. Okay, when you registered, then you can see the website is created. You can tell the AI to change those link. They will change the link within few minutes, and when you clicking on get started, it's giving login registration. We also already logged in, but it's showing that if we told the AI, then they will fix it easily. So we already published the app right on website on the link, live link. It's hosting our site. I'm clicking on okay, it's already built. Okay, and if I am going to dashboard of hosting, there are nothing in there here, right? And I think this is the website we already built, because we have already logged in, right? If you want to uh, buy domain hosting from here, then you have to go to the secret website, which is hosting jar coupon code, and you will get 20% extra discount on that, right? So let's click on that and click on claim, choosing the plan. This plan is more enough to build hundreds applications. Then clicking on continue, and clicking on continue. And I don't want to share the payment method. After the sign in, you will get the dashboard. This type of dashboard you will see, and you can see that uh, we build applications, which is, if I click on 6 websites, and this is the website link. If you add the domain name on here, just clicking on domain, and it's a landing page. Dot this is the domain name, right? We will create a subdomain. This is a free subdomain, and clicking on next, and domain name as added. Let's see it's working or not. Just let's copy it. Domain is connecting, let's wait for it. This is actually hostings are H panel. Let's go to the dashboard, and I think website is done. You can see that domain name is changed, and it's propagating the whole website on the domain. It's take a few minutes. Okay, this way you can build any type of applications, or you can go to v0.dev, and you can put a prompt. You can clone like this type of dashboard. You can just copy and paste it here, and you have to sign in for using the AI. Okay, or you can use bold.new, or you can also use tempo AI. Okay, it's also a great tool to build android applications, or web applications, or websites, and you can publish it within few minutes. Okay, thank you.